Everyone. My name is Sayyida Inaya Kazmi and I'm a student of Class 8A from DA Public School, Jasula, Bihar. Today I'm presenting a PowerPoint presentation on Chapter 18, Earthquake. You must be wondering, what is an earthquake? An earthquake is the sudden shaking or trembling of the Earth's surface. It results due to the sudden release of energy in Earth's lithosphere. An earthquake usually lasts for a very short period of time. Earthquakes can cause a lot of damage to human life and property. Let's talk about foreshocks. Foreshocks are smaller earthquakes that happen before the main earthquake. Effects of an earthquake. It can cause damage to the buildings, bridges, and dams, etc. It can cause great loss of life. It can also cause floods and landslides, which can cause more destruction than the earthquakes themselves. Sometimes the earthquakes occur beneath the ocean, which can lead to tsunami. Here are some pictures of tsunami that I found online. Causes of an earthquake. It is known that earthquakes are caused by disturbances deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth. The outermost layer of the earth is broken into a number of plates known as lithospheric plates or tectonic plates. Let's talk about seismic waves. Seismic waves are the waves on the earth's surface produced by the tremors which are caused by an earthquake. Now let's talk about focus. Focus is the point of initial release of energy of an earthquake. The point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus is known as the epicenter. Now let's talk about Richter scale. Richter scale is the scale used to measure the intensity of an earthquake. Protection against earthquake. Precautions to be taken before an earthquake. Since some buildings may catch fire, it is necessary that all buildings have their firefighting equipment in order. An emergency communication and exit plan should be clearly identified. Disaster management supplies should be available on hand. Safety precautions to be taken during an earthquake. When a person is caught inside, take shelter under the table to avoid getting hit by any of the objects. Stay away from tall objects. Stay indoors until the shaking stops. When a person is caught outside, stay away from tall buildings as they might fall on you. Carefully use the items that you have left. Do not come out of your moving vehicle. Drive to a safe spot and try to stay in there until the shaking stops. Precautions to be taken after an earthquake. Expect aftershocks. Stay away from damaged areas. Help the injured ones. Watching, here is a quiz for the revision of the whole chapter. Best of luck!